Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw subscriptions and deduct software costs in QuickBooks Online. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw subscriptions and deduct software costs in QuickBooks Online, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Expenses tab on the left-hand menu. Select Vendors from the drop-down options. Click on the specific vendor linked to your software subscription. In the vendor profile, click on the Edit button located at the top right corner. Scroll down to the Payment and Billing section. Locate the subscription expense entry you want to withdraw. Click on the checkbox next to the subscription to select it. At the top of the list, click on the Batch Actions drop-down menu. Choose Delete from the options provided. Confirm the deletion by clicking on Yes in the prompt that appears. Next, go back to the main expense page. Click on the New Transaction button and select Expense. Enter the vendor name in the Payee field. Fill in the date of the expense in the designated field. Choose the appropriate account from the Account drop-down menu to categorize the software cost. Input the amount you are deducting in the Amount field. In the description box, provide details about the software subscription. If applicable, add any relevant attachments by clicking on the Attach button. Review all the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save and Close button at the bottom right. Your subscription has been withdrawn and the software costs have been deducted successfully. To verify the changes, return to the Expenses tab and review your expense transactions. Check the Vendors section to ensure the subscription has been removed from the vendor profile. This process helps maintain accurate financial records in QuickBooks Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.